How to reset your secret code for locked chats on WhatsApp. This tutorial shows you how to get back into your locked chats if you've forgotten your code. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Privacy to open your privacy settings. In the next step, tap on Chat Lock. Following this, tap on Unlock and Clear Locked Chats to reset the process. From there, WhatsApp will ask you to verify your identity using your fingerprint or face unlock. Go ahead and authenticate. At this stage, once verified, this removes the secret code and brings hidden chats back to your main list, but it will delete all chats and media inside the locked folder. From here, you can just go ahead and redo the locked chats process. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset your WhatsApp secret code, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.